The radio code in your 2006-2012 Honda CR-V3 is an anti-theft feature. It locks your radio after a power interruption, like a dead battery, preventing unauthorized use. This video will guide you through unlocking it. Knowing your code and how to enter it is key to restoring your audio. These codes are unique to each unit and are stored in the car's computer or directly in the radio module itself. Your radio code is typically a 4 to 5 digit number. First, check your glove box for a sticker or card. It might also be in your owner's manual. If not, you can retrieve it from Honda's official website using your radio's serial number. To get the serial number, turn off the radio, then hold buttons 1 and 6 simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Turn on your Honda CR-V's radio. The display should show code. Use the radio preset buttons, numbered 1-6, to enter your code. For example, if your code is 1423, press button 1, then 4, then 2, then 3. Once the correct code is entered, your radio should unlock and begin working. If you enter the wrong code multiple times, the radio might display an error message or simply not accept the code. This is similar to what you might see on a locked radio screen, showing the system is locked. When this happens, the radio will lock for a period, usually 1 to 2 hours, as a security measure. You might see diagnostic menus or error codes in the system display during this lock period. Simply wait the specified time period, then attempt to enter the code again, making sure to input it carefully. Always double-check that you're using the correct code from a reliable source, such as the code card in your glove box. Never guess at the code, because entering incorrect codes multiple times can cause the radio to lock for even longer periods. This applies to older radio systems like vintage models, where codes are critical for operation. A common issue when troubleshooting Honda CR-V3 radio codes is difficulty retrieving the serial number. Make sure the radio is completely off before holding the 1 and 6 buttons for 10 seconds to display the serial number. If you're still having trouble retrieving the serial number, consider visiting a local Honda dealership for assistance. Many users find success in online Honda forums and communities where experienced members can provide guidance. Several Honda radio code generator apps claim to retrieve codes using your vehicle's VIN or radio serial number. These apps offer a convenient way to unlock your radio without visiting a dealership. Another option is upgrading to an aftermarket radio, which often bypasses the code system entirely. This has become a popular trend among Honda CR-V3 owners, allowing for modern features while avoiding code issues. The best way to avoid radio code issues is to proactively save your code. Store it in your phone, a secure document, or with your vehicle's paperwork. Share the code with trusted family members who may drive the car. This simple step can save you time and potential dealership fees. The automotive industry is evolving, with car audio systems moving toward integrated infotainment platforms that seamlessly connect with smartphones and eliminate the need for traditional radio codes. However, for older vehicles like the 2006 to 2012 Honda CR-V, knowledge of the radio code system continues to be important for maintaining functionality. Always prioritize security by using official Honda channels to retrieve your code, avoiding potential scams on unofficial websites. With these essential tips and proper precautions, you can confidently unlock your radio and enjoy your vehicle's audio system once again.